Google is leveling up the personalization you can do with your images while generating them on its Gemini AI app. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. If you're looking to generate images in the Gemini app, Google is making it easier to reference details about your digital life in your request. Now, Personalized Intelligence is rolling out to Nano Banana and Google Photos for all eligible users in the US. Google first introduced this feature earlier in the spring, but only for those who've subscribed to the Gemini AI Pro and AI Ultra plans. It allowed you to give the chatbot access to your information in other Google services, such as Gmail and Google Photos. So it'll draw on those details when you make images requests. It means Gemini will be able to more immediately understand and act on requests for images of you or your friends and family. But even the feature is getting expanded. It still doesn't mean anyone can have them. Google has made it clear that to get access to generate and edit images by this feature, you need to be over age 18 on a personal account. Although people age 13 and up can use the image generation side of the tool, and it necessarily doesn't require you to be fluent in English if you want to explain Gemini exactly what you want. The AI tool supports many languages for this that includes Arabic, Dutch, French, German, Indonesian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Spanish, and Turkish. Generating images are about to feel more accurate and personal. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.